Apple is finally entering the foldable smartphone market, and this might be the craziest iPhone ever created. Meet the all-new iPhone Fold. According to leaks, Apple's first foldable iPhone could launch in September 2026, and the specs look absolutely insane. When unfolded, you get a massive 7.58-inch OLED display with a buttery smooth 120Hz refresh rate and ultra-thin bezels. And when folded, there's a second 5.25-inch outer display, making it feel like a normal iPhone in your pocket. The display is expected to support HDR10 Plus, Dolby Vision, and up to 2,000 nits peak brightness. Basically, this thing could look incredible for gaming, movies, and multitasking. Under the hood, the iPhone Fold is rumored to feature 16 gigabytes RAM and 512 gigabytes storage, powered by a next-generation Apple chip running iOS 19. That means console-level gaming, faster multitasking, and insane performance. Now let's talk cameras. Leaks suggest a triple 48-megapixel setup, including wide telephoto and ultra-wide lenses with optical image stabilization. For selfies, Apple may include dual 24-megapixel front cameras, including an under-display camera hidden beneath the screen. And yes, 4K video recording is expected too. Other rumored features include USB-C, wireless charging, IP68 water resistance, face unlock, NFC, and surprisingly, an IR blaster. Honestly, that part shocked everyone. But the biggest question is, can Apple beat Samsung in the foldable smartphone race? If Apple delivers its premium build quality with optimized software, the iPhone Fold could instantly become the king of foldables. So, would you buy the iPhone Fold? Subscribe for more tech leaks, smartphone news, and future Apple updates.